D&D Manufacturing is your full-service precision machining facility in Ipswich, Massachusetts. We offer contract machining, assembly, and fabrication to OEMs, end users, and R&D. We have a full line of cutting-edge manual and automated machinery to provide you with top-quality components, on time, and at competitive prices. Visit us at dndmanufacturing.com or call us at 978-356-9188.